Hello, I'm Paul Mosig and I'm a local Blue Mountains artist. This is Rachel Peachey, my partner and collaborator, and our two sons, Sasha and Jack, who we also collaborate with. Flicking by here are objects that we've collected on our travels overseas, as well as some old work we've produced. In these unusual times, we've been asked by the Blue Mountains City Art Gallery to open up our studio to a virtual visit. I'll quickly run through a couple of the works we're making at the moment. The first is for the exhibition Sewn Up, curated by Fiona Davies of Modern Art Projects Blue Mountains, and it's set to show at Littleton Gallery, possibly next week or possibly later depending on lockdown status. The project is about waste textiles, and we've taken mixed waste objects, in this case shoes at the end of their workable life, and broken these down to their base elements. These elements are then reconstructed as talismans. The next work in progress is the telling of the bees. It's an old European tradition where if there is a death in the family, it's important to go and inform the bees and place them into mourning. We're interested in grief as an important part of the transition between systems or states. Like many, we feel the current trajectory of human and environmental systems is unsustainable, and we are interested in the conditions where true change may be possible. Although at the moment there is change happening on a scale that would have seemed unfathomable months ago, a system in collapse presents rare opportunities for meaningful change. Like many, we're finding the spread of this virus around the world quite all-consuming. We feel incredibly lucky to be in the Blue Mountains and stuck somewhere that has a garden where we can grow food, play, and just generally break the cycle of panic scrolling the news. Our yard used to be a car park, so the fact we pull food out of it most days we count as a victory. These last works are Jack's, and they're a great reminder not to take ourselves too seriously. They are little good morning cards that he sometimes leaves for us. These two are Happy Toast and Angry Toast, and they are fantastic. Thank you, and hope to see you on the other side.